Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your Merrill Edge account detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate your Merrill Edge account, start by visiting the official Merrill Edge website. Locate the Sign In button on the top right corner of the home page. Click on the Sign In button to proceed. On the Sign In page, you will see an option for new users. Click on the New User link to begin the account activation process. You will be directed to a new page that asks for your personal information. Enter your debit or credit card number linked to your Merrill Edge account. Next, provide your Social Security number for verification purposes. Fill in the date of birth field with your correct birth date. After entering the required information, click the Continue button. Follow the on-screen prompts to create your username and password. Make sure to use a strong password that meets the security requirements. Once your username and password are set, you will receive a confirmation message. Check your email for a confirmation link from Merrill Edge. Open the email and click on the confirmation link to verify your account. After verification, return to the Merrill Edge sign-in page. Enter your newly created username and password. Click Sign In to access your account for the first time. Once logged in, review the account terms and conditions before proceeding. After reviewing, you may need to agree to any additional terms presented. You have now successfully activated your Merrill Edge account. Take a moment to explore the platform and familiarize yourself with its features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.